Skyswitch OmniResponse Contact Center. Our contact center solution? Designed to take basic call center functionalities to the next level. With advanced features, including complete customer history across SMS, chat, email, and voice, all within a clean, intuitive interface. Contact center needs are more critical than ever and resonate with many customers. Are remote staff struggling to stay connected, access queues, and missing screen pops? As a web-based downloadable desktop client and softphone, OmniResponse keeps staff connected and provides features like call notes, screen pops, and conversation history to ensure customer information is always accessible. Do managers wish they had better visibility into quality assurance and the customer experience? Quality assurance features allow management to silently monitor, record, and coach staff, as well as provide post-call surveys to stay on top of the customer experience. Are basic features difficult for both end users and technical admins to use? Standardized and custom dashboards within a user-friendly interface simplify day-to-day oversight and usage. Is there a need to access multiple forms of communication at once, outside of calling? OmniResponse allows teams to pivot from calling, to texting, to chat messages, seamlessly, meeting customers where it's most convenient for them. With the right contact center technology, your customers can continuously improve their customer service and manage more interactions effectively. Our feature-rich solution, at half the cost of competitive products, the next-generation contact center solution to modernize and enhance your customers' interactions.